In this video, I'll show you how to sort your Zoho mail by size and manage your inbox more effectively. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more email productivity tips. First, let's talk about Conversation View. This feature groups emails with the same subject into threads, which can hide some sorting options. To sort emails by size, start by clicking the gear icon for settings. Then go to Conversations and turn Conversation View off. This ensures each email appears individually, giving you full control. Next, head to the folder you want to organize, like your inbox. Look for the Sort by drop-down menu at the top of the email list. Here you can select Largest first to see your biggest emails on top, which is great for managing storage or attachments. Or choose Smallest first to skim through smaller emails quickly. And that's it. By disabling Conversation View and sorting by size, you can keep your inbox organized, make space management easier, and navigate your emails efficiently.